Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make dried oreganos. Dried oreganos are used in most of the Italian recipes. This one combined with olive oil creates wonderful flavors to pizzas and tacos, so let's get started. To begin with, let's have a close look at the oregano plant. Oregano is a flowering plant in the mint family. Oregano has a lot of health benefits. It reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes, helps to energize your body, improves digestion and detoxifies your body. Now let's cut some fresh leaves along with the stem. Choose nice and fresh leaves for this preparation. Now we are ready with a bunch of oreganos. Destem the oreganos. Now we are ready with fresh oregano leaves. Give it a quick rinse in nice and fresh water. Then remove the oregano leaves one by one from the water and place it in a wide plate like this. Now it's all ready. Let's sun dry this for 5 to 7 days until they are completely dry. The number of days varies according to the amount of sunshine you enjoy in your location. It's been 5 days and the dried oreganos are now ready. The leaves are nice and dry now. You'll get around 2 tablespoons of dried oreganos from the entire bunch of leaves we started with. Crumble the dried leaves with your hands. You can also use your mixer jar in pulse mode for this purpose. Now the dried oreganos are ready. You can use this in all your Italian recipes. It's always very fresh and healthy when these flavoring ingredients are homemade. So give this dried oregano preparation a try and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel.
Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.